Good day, everyone. My name is Tobilid of BSECE 3A, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial of how I managed to make my task number 3, which utilizes 2 LDRs. So according to this task, we shall follow the guidelines. So number 1, connect the 11 LEDs using digital output pin 2 to 11. But I asked my professor if it is possible to have 9 LEDs. He said it is okay. So in this task, I only utilized 9 LEDs. Number 2, connect the 2 LDRs using analog input pin A0 to A1. A0 and A1. Number 3, the LEDs shall indicate the illumination difference between the 2 LDRs. So this is already understood that the light source position varies on every LED. So this is a lot of if-else statements, and the accuracy of your light positioning, LDR angle, and light source type matters. So be consistent. So this is our task shall function according to this PDF. So case number 1, we have equal illumination. Case number 2, extreme illumination at LDR 1. Case number 3, extreme illumination at LDR 2. Case number 4, illumination at LDR 1 is greater than LDR 2. Case number 5, illumination at LDR 2 is greater than LDR 1. So this is the summary of our function. The LED that will turn on shall be indicative of the position or direction of the light source. So suggestions, in the suggestions, I used the flashlight of my iPhone 6. And now I am going to show you the materials used, or the materials that we will be using. Alright, let's first see our schematic diagram. We have 9 LEDs connected to digital input and output pins from 2 to 10, with each connected to a 200 ohms resistor going to the ground. This is the anode and this is the cathode. The anode pin, which is the long leg, the positive, must be connected to the digital pins of our Arduino, while the cathode, which is the negative or the short leg, is connected to a resistor going to the ground. They are in series. I think you don't have a problem reading this schematic. So sometimes we make silly mistakes. Instead, we interchange the connection between the anode and the cathode. So please take note of your polarity. And we have 2 LDRs connected to a 20k ohm resistor going to the ground as well, while the other pin of the LDR goes to a 5-volt supply. Alright, time for you to see how I did my breadboarding. let's go to my code. This is where we initialize and declare our variables. And in the void loop, this is where our condition for every light source position is set. So, light positioning, setting, and sensitivity really matters here because I myself nearly went crazy amidst debugging and countless of trials and errors. And we have set the 100 milliseconds delay before the loop happens again. Okay, let's go to the video showing the function of my output. But before that, we have to compile our code. So first, insert your USB cable into your laptop. When you hear that sound, it is connected. Now, click upload. Wait for a while. Okay, it's done uploading. Okay, let's go to the video showing the function of my output.
Oh, Kate the Great, Kate the Great, Kate the Great, she's Kate the Great, Kate the Great, Kate the Great. She plays a really great guitar, she's a guitar star, she's gonna go far playing that guitar. She also plays soccer and basketball. Kate the Great can do